Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Photoshop Elements Colorize Photo option. So what you could do with this is take a black and white picture and have it automatically colorized, and Photoshop will do a pretty good job of picking the correct colors based on the contents of the picture. Alright, so we have this black and white scenery photo here, so we've got to make sure the layer is selected. Go to Enhance, Colorize Photo. So it generates a preview there. Then you have some other options here if you want to see something a little different. And then if this works out for you, just simply click on OK. That'll load it back up in the regular editor, and then you could make some other adjustments with the typical Photoshop tools. Alright, so let's pick another one here and use some of the tools that are available in the Colorize options here. Okay, so we'll do the same thing to start. Alright, so you can see it did a pretty good job, but let's say we want the flower petals a different color. So if we change this to manual, then we could pick a tool here. Alright, so we have the quick selection tool and the magic wand tool. Let's see the magic wand tool. Click on that. If you hold down shift, you could kind of click on the next part and then just kind of fill it in as needed for the parts that are missed, like so. And if you hit escape, it'll clear it. And to use the other tool here, you could just kind of click and drag and it'll kind of select the areas here. You don't have to hold down shift for this one. Like so. So depending on the picture, it's going to determine what tool works the best. And now you can see we have the middle is selected as well. But let's say we want to keep the middle this yellow color. We could do the subtract and then just kind of draw around here to kind of deselect it. And then of course you could change the size of the tool as well. Alright, so once that looks good, we'll click on the Droplet tool. So we just need to put a drop where we want to add some color. And then we could pick a color from here, like so. And then you could add another drop, let's say right here. Let's say you want a different color, like that. And then you could just add drops as needed. And just make some custom colors like that. If you hit escape, then we have our custom colored flower. And then once again, if you like it, just click on OK, or you could click on reset to put things back to original here. You could also turn off the droplets if you don't want to see them. Then you could also see the before and after from this toggle down here. So we'll click on OK. And now we have our colored flower. Alright, so once again, just open your photo, go to Enhance, Colorize Photo, and then pick one of the defaults here, or you could go to Manual and kind of customize your colors as you like. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.